guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, trying on, showing you guys the brand new Becca Cosmetics BFF collection made with love by Khloe and her best friend Malika. So I actually just took that from their little pamphlet here. It says Becca BFF collection made with love by Khloe Kardashian and Malika Haqq. Khloe and Malika, they are BFFs. They created a glow collection. A glow-lection? A BFF lection? I'm trying to like merge the words together here, people. I don't think it's working. A glow collection. BFF glow collection. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So when I first saw that they were collaborating, I was like, okay, there's probably gonna be eyeshadow palette, lipstick, same thing, but no. This collaboration has no eyeshadow. It is all about the glow. All right, let me show y'all the PR package. So we have the rose gold, or is that gold? Gold side, which is Khloe's, and then bloop, we have the silver side, which is Malika's. So Khloe's side comes with a highlight and bronze. Well, it's like a highlight bronze cheek palette. Let me show y'all real quick. Look how pretty. It's super like swirly and highlighty and glowy. Highlighty. Is that a word? I don't know. Khloe's also coming out with 2 lipsticks and then these like loose, I don't even know. What are these called? Let me see what these are called. I don't even know. Loose highlighter. Oh, glow letters. Okay. So we got like loose glow letters here on Khloe's side. We're gonna try all this on you guys, okay? So don't you worry. All right, so on Malika's side, we have another highlight blush bronzer palette. Hers is silver. Open it. This color is just, oh, this one? Well, these two are really just like grabbing my attention. I love colors like this, especially on the cheeks. Especially when my hair is light, so I'm excited to try this. It comes with a mirror also. And then she's coming out with 2 lipsticks. So both of them came out with a nude and a red. I will be trying on all the lipsticks, and I think what I'm gonna do, since I'm looking pretty mad, I'm gonna put Khloe's collection on my eyes and then Khloe's palette on my eyes and Malika's on my face. So we're just gonna try everything on. So without further ado, let's blow the F up. Ooh, we're close. So I don't know if I said this. I don't think I did, but I love when BFFs or just women collaborate because I think it just sends like the right message. It shows support. It's just such an empowering girl power moment. So I always love when people do like bestie collabs. I'm here for it, okay? All right, so let's start with Khloe's palette. All right, so we have highlighter, blush. So 1 highlighter, 2 blushes, and a bronzer. What should we do? Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this on the inside of my eye, this on the lid. I don't think this will show up, but I'll put a little bit on the crease. So the bronzer, obviously if you have a lighter skin tone, like this will probably show up as a bronzer. And I did put like a transition color in the crease because I was like, this is probably not gonna show up. I don't even know if like you could wear this on the eyes. I'm just like exploring the options here. So let's try this. Is this a blush? I feel like it is. Fierce on the lid. Like, why not? Watch, Becca's gonna reach out like, yeah, you can't use it on the eyes. No, I'm sure it's fine. I'm putting a little bit of the highlighter on the center of the lid here and on the inside. Yeah, that's cute. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, try it on the face, but it's like, I'd rather try on Malika's because I know that the colors are a little bit deeper and they'll show up. But yeah, this is actually kind of nice on the eyes. I could use both of these as highlighters. Let me put a little bit of this on my nose just so you guys can see. Which one? This one. Oh yeah, see? Just a little bit, just so y'all see. All right, I'm gonna throw on some brown liner from Dose of Colors. This is Extra Baggage. A little bit up in here. I'm not gonna do a crazy eye look because, you know, it's a highlight palette. Okay, I'm just giving my eyes like a glowy little look. Part of me wishes there was an eyeshadow palette, but I feel like with all the eyeshadow palettes that are coming out, like, you know, there's an eyeshadow palette dropping every week. I'm not mad that they decided to go with more of a glow situation. All right, I'm gonna throw on some, ooh, I actually like how this looks. I'm gonna throw on some Snap Mascara from Maybelline. Ooh, all this glowy makeup is making me think of summer. Oh, I can't wait. I'm like over the cold weather. I know a lot of you guys who don't live in California are probably like, be quiet, like stop. But I'm just like not good in cold weather. You know, I grew up in California. I'm not used to cold weather. So when it gets cold, I'm like, I feel like I'm freezing. Like when I wake up to the gym and it's like 48 degrees. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Make it end. All right, these are Yes Queen lashes from Lily Lashes. Just gonna throw these on here. What would we do without lashes, honestly? All right, let's move on to Malika's palette and then I'll try on all the lips. I'm excited about this. I'm really excited. Okay, so highlight, bronzer, and then blush. I might do one on each side so you guys can see and then mix them at the end, you know, so I don't look crazy. Where's my brush at? All right, so we're gonna start with the highlighter. I'm all, don't disappoint me. Ooh, this is pretty. This looks almost a little bit more rose goldy in person, which I am not mad at, as long as it's not like silver, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love these warm colors. Ooh, that's really nice. And Becca's known for their highlighters and kind of like the softness in it, you know? Like, look at how like smooth and soft my skin looks. Okay. This is really cute, actually. We like that. I'm gonna leave my forehead alone because I want to try the little EXO, the glow letters on my forehead, but this is cute. I always put a little bit of highlighter right up in here. All right, we're gonna start with the bronzer. Let's see if she shows up. And I know I like contoured a little bit. Oh yeah, it does show up. So it might be hard to tell. Let me see, put on my forehead here. I do wish this was like a little bit darker. Do I look bronze? So it does show up, but I do wish it was like just a little bit darker. Just a little bit. All right, now let's try on this like tangerine shade. And these do have like a little bit of a shimmer to it. Oh yeah, that's really nice. It's like soft, but it's really pretty. All right, on the other side, let's try on the pink. What's it called? Make Me Blush? Yes. And I'm gonna wipe my brush off. I know some of y'all like, don't use your brush. Ooh, I really like the peach, like a lot. So this is a pink. This is a peach. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, let me even these out because over here looking a little cray. All right, let's try on all the lipsticks. I'm gonna try on Khloe's first. So I'm gonna do the nude and the red, and then Malika's, and we're gonna do the nude and the red. Well, both of them have a nude and a red, but I'm gonna use the same lip liners for both. So this is Rosary. I'm gonna use this for the reds. And then for the nudes, we're gonna use the KKW Nude 2 and maybe Nude 3. This is Hot Tamale. Ooh, so this is like an orangey red. Ooh. Ooh, she bright. She is a little brighter on camera, but she cute. All right, this next color is Cupid's Kiss. This is like a sheer cream. Is it sheer? Oh, creamy. Ooh, this is real cute. I love nudes. You guys know I love nudes. This is like the way to my heart, you know? This color is called Brave. This is also kind of like an orangey, like corally red. It's just not as bright as the other one. Oh yeah, this is nice. So Khloe's is definitely a lot more bright. This one's a little bit more of like a true red, but kind of watermelon-y. Wait, hold on. Let me read y'all a couple quotes on here. So for Khloe's red, she said, when I put this on, I feel sexy and just glamorous. It's my dream. And then the color I'm about to try on by Malika says, this is the best nude ever. Listen, I'll be the judge of that. Let me try this nude on real quick. I love nudes. Where's my white? All right, lined with the KKW Nude 2. Let's try this on. This is called Yours Truly. Ooh, yeah, this is good. She might have been right. Ooh, I actually like both the nudes in this collection. Let me add a little bit of the KKW Nude 3 lip liner. So that's what I like to do. 2 lip liners, 1 light, 1 dark. And these lipsticks are creamier looking, so they're not matte at all. They have like a creamy consistency. Oh, Almost forgot to try on these glow letters. Wait, hold up. Let me get a little brush here. Let's try on these letters. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Look at these. So I guess you just like swirl it in here. Put a little bit on my temple. Oh, these are cute. Now look at my little baby hairs trying to peek through. This is a pretty color. I wish this was pressed low-key, like a pressed powder, because I don't think I can travel with this. It'll probably break, but I like the tone of this highlight. It's really good. All right, you guys, I'm gonna take my headband off and we are gonna talk about this collection. Oh, she is glowy. I actually like this glow. It's kind of like a softer glow. Like, I feel like a lot of the highlighters I use have like more of a luster, like loose glittery particles, whereas this just looks super smooth. Okay, so I usually judge a collection based off of, will I wear the colors again? And I feel like with this, the nude lipsticks really caught my attention. I love the nudes. The reds, I probably won't wear again, only because I like wearing liquid lipsticks because it'll get everywhere. You know, my hair, my face, my glass. So I usually wear like more of a matte liquid lipstick when I wear reds. If you don't care about that, you'll probably like it. The nude lipsticks are definitely, like, this is real cute. This is right up my alley. And as far as the highlighter palette, I actually like it. I thought that I wasn't gonna like it because most of the time, you guys see me, I don't really use highlighter blush palettes. Like, I just don't use them. I always use individual blushes, individual highlighters, individual bronzers. But I do like Malika's palette. I feel like, I don't know, it just looks really pretty. It's soft, and I just like how I look. Khloe's is probably a little bit too light for me, but I think if you have a lighter skin tone, you'll probably enjoy it. Yeah, I mean, it looks real cute. She's cute. So basically, oh, and then the glow letters. Yeah, I wish those were pressed. You know what I'm saying? These, because this, is real cute. So yeah, I think the collection it's just cute. I think it's supposed to be light and fun, and I'll definitely be re-wearing the lipsticks and Malika's glow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know your thoughts on the collab. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay.